My name is Akiko Mims. I am an alumni of the Museum Studies program with Professor Alessandra Montezuma. I have a bachelor's degree in art with an emphasis in studio arts from San Diego State University, did a graduate program at the School of Museum of Fine Arts Boston, and I'm currently finishing an associate's degree in French here at Mesa College. I chose to come back to the program after graduate school as a way to re-enter the San Diego art scene, and to do that under the supervision of somebody who I know knows what they're talking about, knows the people who I should be connected to, and can really forge those connections for me from the beginning. The great thing about this program is having a blended student body and really having the opportunity to legitimize the skills and the interests that we all already have as individuals and see where those things could fit within the art world. The network has been something that has benefited me greatly. I work at the Museum of Contemporary Art San Diego. I began working there before I came through the Museum Studies program, but I've since moved into education, been able to offer the Mesa College program and the Museum Studies certificate program to my high school students who are graduating from San Diego County high schools. The community has been fantastic. I've collaborated on art projects with people who have come through the Museum Studies program and met a lot of other talented artists. That sort of sense of camaraderie is what I really enjoyed about the program and why I enjoy working in the gallery here now. What's next for me? I'm in the final stages of finishing editing an art history text, which is a job that was connected to me through the Museum Studies program as well. So I'm excited for that to come to an end and to continue working with that collector and to just continue on my path of developing my art history knowledge and becoming a curator in the future. So thank you to Alessandra and the Museum Studies program and Mesa College Gallery, and I can't wait to see what's next.